All right, dumbbell deadlifts. These are going to be great for building strong hamstrings. A lot of people have imbalances between their quads and their hamstrings. Don't neglect your hamstrings. This is a good way to give them some good old attention. So basically, you're just going to pick up 2 dumbbells. You're going to hold them in front of you, just about shoulder width apart. Feet shoulder width apart as well. Just going to bring the weight down to your knees about. Keep your back straight, chest out. You want to try to keep your legs as straight as possible, but with a slight bend. I know that sounds counterintuitive. Straight but slight bend. So basically, you just don't want them locked behind you like this. So a slight bend in the knee. Just gonna bring the weight down until you feel that stretch in your hamstring, in the back of your leg, and you're just gonna shoot your hips back up. So down until you feel that stretch in your hamstrings, and then shoot back up. All right, that's dumbbell deadlift.